Okay guys, we've got us 3 tablespoons of melted butter. To that we're adding a pound of shrimp. These are fresh frozen shrimp, straight from the grocery store, but they taste good. Okay. We're going to let them cook just a little bit, and then we're going to add something to them. These are already peeled and deveined, guys. Best kind you can buy, come from Aldi's. Alright, when we get them done, I'll be back. Okay guys, to this shrimp now we're going to add some Slap Your Mama. And we're going to add a little bit of Creole seasoning, which both of them are.
No. No.
Okay, I have my fire up pretty well, so they'll be ready in just a minute. Okay guys, our shrimp is about done, so to that we're fixing to add 12 ounces of Boudreaux's crawfish tail meat. One little piece of stuff I had to cut was holding it. Alright, we're going to stir that around and just kind of get it finished thawing out. Okay guys, in here we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. To this we're adding a couple of spoons of garlic. This garlic is to taste, guys, so you could add more or not as much. You want to keep it moving because you don't want that garlic to burn in any way. On top of that, we're going to put just a tiny bit of flour, just so that our sauce will get thick. Now I'm just making it my way, guys, but it's good. We don't want it to burn, and we don't want it to brown. We are going to salt it. Okay, and to that we're going to add some chicken broth. Not much. We're just adding about probably a quarter cup. When that comes up to a boil, then we'll add our other ingredients. See how that, as that gets hotter, it gets a little bit more thick. We actually can add just a touch bit more. So we'll go with about a half a cup. About a half a cup. We'll be back when it boils. Guys, it's up to a boil, so now we're going to add our heavy cream. I've got 32 ounces. We'll see. We're probably going to add it all. We'll see. I'm going to just add it all, guys. Okay. Now to that, we're going to add more Slap Your Mama. And more Creole. Now how much you add is totally up to you. We're going to bring this back up to a boil. Okay guys, in here we have boiling water. And I've got some hearts of palm angel hair pasta, gluten-free. And it just goes in some hot water, so I'm just going to literally, in this strainer, put it down in the water. And you just get it good and hot through and through. Why? That's my grandkids y'all hear in the background. Guys, we're adding a blend. It's an Italian blend. You can add Gouda, you can add cheddar cheese, you can add Monterey Jack. I mean, whatever cheese you choose. This is just the one I chose at the grocery store this time. We're just going to put, this is going to be about, I'm going to say about 3/4 a cup. You can put as much cheese as you want, but this is all I'm putting. Keep it stirred because you do have cheese in there. Now we're going to go back, guys. Now we're adding juice and all of our seafood, our shrimp and our crawfish. Then we're just going to let it cook just a little bit. We may have to thicken it just a little bit. We'll just see. I've got just a little bit of water. To that we're adding a little bit of cornstarch. Just mix it up in a slurry. We just want to thicken our sauce just a little bit. Like I said, if you put more cheese in it, it would be thick, but we didn't. I didn't. Okay, we're just going to put a little bit and then we'll see. Because it's ready, we just got to get it to the thickness that we want it. Our noodles, Sonny's fixing to take up. Maybe this thing's fitting to tear up. Oh, Lord. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my slurry in there to get it just a little bit thicker. And then we're going to let that cook just a minute and get thicker, and then we'll be back. Okay, guys, over here I have my grit cakes. I salted my grits. So the only thing we're going to do is put just a little bit of Slap Your Mama in our breadcrumbs right here. Just a little bit. But we're going to take this grit cake and we're going to put it in flour. It has to be good and cold, guys, to stick together. And then we're going to put it in an egg wash, egg and milk. Then we're going to put it in our breadcrumbs. Let me get me 2 more over there. Okay, now we've got us 3 over here, so let's go ahead and get them covered in our breadcrumbs. We're going to put our grit cakes in. Oh yeah, it's frying good. Like I said, these are already salted because we salted them when we cooked them. Got room for another one. Okay. Now we just keep a watch on them. When they get good and brown like that. And you just turn them over. Turn the fire down just a touch. Because the grits are already done. You're basically just kind of letting them get hot. Turn. Let them get good and brown and kind of hot through and through. We'll be back. Pretty. Okay guys, we have a grit cake. We're just gonna load it down with awesome sauces, but just a little bit more. Okay guys, then we have angel hair pasta. I used enough slurry of the stuff to make it a nice thick sauce. Gonna be yummy.